Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a quick and easy lunch that can be put together in under 1 hour. Not only am I short of time, but I'm also lacking ingredients. It's time for me to go shopping again for fresh vegetables. So all I have at home is a couple of potatoes, onions and tomatoes. But let us put together an entire lunch with that in under 1 hour. Let's begin. First, for the onion rice or the BHUGA CHAWAL, I've heated up 3 tablespoons of oil. I've used mustard oil. You can use any oil of your choice. To that, I've added 2 onions sliced thinly. I'm going to saute this till it's nice and golden brown. Once it's golden brown, I'm going to add 2 bay leaf for Tej Patta, 1 black cardamom which I've slightly opened it, 4 cloves or Laung, a piece of cinnamon or Dalchini. Saute everything well. To this I'm adding half a teaspoon of Cumin or Jeera, quarter teaspoon of black pepper or Miri, then to this I'm going to add 3.5 cups of water. To this I'm going to add salt to taste, 3 green chilies, 1 tomato chopped fine, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, once the mixture has come up to boil, I'm going to add the rice that I washed and soaked for half an hour. Here you can use basmati rice too. Here I'm using surti kolam rice. Once the mixture comes up to a boil, cook it on high flame in an open pan for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, cover and cook on a low flame till all the water has evaporated. Your onion rice or BHUGA CHAWAL is ready to be eaten. Now for the crispy fried potatoes. I've cut the potatoes into wedges along with the skin. I put it into oil and deep frying it till half done. You can also use baby potatoes for the recipe. I'm using the big variety of potatoes. This is the Sindhi variety of the fried potatoes where potatoes are fried twice to make it extra crispy. If you still wanted more crispy, you can also fry it 3 times. Once it's half done, I'm removing the potato wedges and keeping it on a kitchen towel to drain. I'll then allow it to cool for some time. Once it's slightly cooled, I'm going to crush it slightly with my palm. Do that to all the potato pieces. Once you've crushed the potatoes, put it back into hot oil and fry till crisp. Once it's nice and golden and crisp, remove it from the oil. I'm going to season it with a bit of salt, little chili powder, a little Chaat Masala and a little Amchur. Mix till the potato is well coated. Your crispy aloo tuk is ready to be had. Next for the sweet dish, I've heated up 3 tablespoons of ghee, to which I'm going to add half a cup of wheat flour. Saute the wheat flour on a low flame. Add 2 tablespoons of besan or chickpea flour. Saute till the mixture changes color slightly and gives out a lovely aroma. to this I've added 1 teaspoon of khaskhas. This is optional. Continue sauteing. Then add half a cup of sugar. I've used sugar here. You can also substitute it with jaggery. Mix till well combined. Add 1 cup of water to this. You can also use milk. I'm using water. And continue stirring and make sure there are no lumps. One teaspoon of cardamom powder for lovely flavor. Continue stirring. You need to cook this till the syrup starts leaving the sides of the pan and releasing some of the ghee that we put in earlier. Add a handful of cashew nuts or any other nuts of your choice, and your atta syrup is ready to be eaten. Now let's quickly plate up. Put in your piping hot onion rice or BHUGA chawal, crispy aloo tuk, a bowl of bundi raita, atta syrup, and some roasted papad. Your quick and easy lunch with limited ingredients are ready in 1 hour. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have, then please give it a big thumbs up. Also comment on and share this video among your friends and family. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then please do so now. And do not forget to press the bell icon. Thanks for watching and have a great day.